Good day. I am Mohammad Mehdi Hassan Mufti. My student ID is 19215133329. My presentation topic is IR remote controlled light system. Let's see the project. Here, when I press any button of my smartphone's remote, the light becomes on, and when I press the button again, it turns off the light. Now let's see the circuit diagram what I have made. Here is the circuit. In this circuit I have used a TSOPA IR receiver and 100 kilo ohm resistor, one 4.7K resistor, 100 microfarad capacitor, BC557 transistor, 100 kilo ohm resistor and 5 volt power supply, and also IC4017 and two LED, one red LED and one another is green LED, 1 kilo ohm resistor and a BC547 transistor and 6 volt relay. Now let's discuss how the circuit works. This is TSOP. It receives IR signal from IR blaster. It has three legs. Leg 1 is connected with the ground. Leg 2 is connected with 100 ohm resistor, and this resistor is connected with 5 volt power supply, and this is the positive terminal. And the third pin, pin 3, is the output pin. It is connected with 4.7K resistor, and this resistor is connected with the base of BC557 transistor and the negative terminal of 100 microfarad capacitor. The another pin of 100 microfarad capacitor is connected with the positive terminal of 5 volt power supply. Now the BC557 transistor. The collector terminal is connected with 100 ohm resistor, and this 100 ohm resistor is connected with the ground. The emitter of BC557 is connected with the 5 volt power supply, and this collector pin is connected with 14 number pin of CD4017 IC. Now let's talk about CD4017 IC. Its 60 number pin is connected with the positive terminal of power supply, and its 8 and 13 number pin is connected with the ground. Its 4 and 15 number pin is connected with one another. The third pin of CD4017 IC is connected with a red LED, and negative terminal of this red LED is connected with the ground. Its 2 number pin is connected with a green LED and a 1K resistor. Now let's talk about BC547. BC547 base is connected with 1 kilo ohm resistor, and its emitter is connected with the negative terminal of 5 volt power supply, I mean the ground. And the another pin, which is collector is connected with a 6 volt relay. Now let's talk about the 6 volt relay. The another pin of 6 volt relay is connected with the 5 volt power supply, and this is the circuit. By the way, I have controlled a light using this circuit, but it can be used in different devices. I mean, it can be used in any kind of 220 volt AC devices. And this is my project. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.